Hello, welcome to Be Yoga Connection. I'm Master Energy Medicine Yoga teacher Brittany, and today we've got a short rise and flow. So let's find the top of the mat, and let's just close the eyes and take a couple of grounding breaths here. In through the nose, out through the nose or mouth. And connect to your feet, connect to your body. Feel the strength of your body, the support of the ground below you. Begin to open the eyes. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead. Exhale, full forward fold, Celtic weave. Draw figure eights as you go down. Inhale, lengthen the spine, shoulder blades together. Exhale, fold. Tracing spleen, fingertips to big toes, back to inside ankle bone. Inside legs, up the torso to shoulders, and back down underneath the armpits. Shake it off one more time. Exhale, full forward fold. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold, fingertips to big toes, ankle bone, inside legs, up torso to shoulders, and back down underneath the armpits. Shake it off. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, full forward fold, Celtic weave down. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Left foot steps back to low lunge. Inhale, engage the abs and lift the arms overhead. Then lift the chest and the gaze to the sky. Bring chest back to center. Clasp the hands behind the back. Lift the chest once more. Then hinge at the hips. Right shoulder meets right knee. Bend in the elbows. Release the hands back to the low back. We're staying here. Step the left foot forward. Hinge at the hips a little bit further, allowing the head to hang towards the ground. And lift the arms up overhead. Exhale, bend at the elbows, bring the hands back to the low back, sink the sit bones, engage the abs and lift the torso. Circle the low back. Pause the hands, bring them around to the front and flip at the groin. Hands come up, center line, cup underneath the nose, in through the nose, out through the mouth. 2 more. Straighten through the legs, hands come to heart center. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead. Exhale, full forward fold. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Right foot steps back to low lunge. Engage the abs and lift the torso. High crescent. Lift the chest, lift the gaze. Inhale, chest comes back to center. Hands come back to the low back. Chest comes up, gaze comes up. And then hinge at the hips. Allow left shoulder to meet left knee. Arms come up off the low back if they're able. Bend in the elbows, hands to low back. And step your right foot forward. Sink the sit bones, engage the abs. And find some circles on the low back. Pause the hands on the low back. Bring them around to the front. Flip the hands at the groin. Come up center line, cup underneath the nose. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Sink a little deeper. One last one. Straighten through the legs, come to stand. Hands come to heart center. One more time through. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, full forward fold, Celtic weave down. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Left foot steps back to low lunge. Engage the abs, lift the torso, lift the arms. Lift the chest, lift the gaze. Chest comes back to center, hands come to low back. Interlace the fingers, chest comes up, gaze comes up. Hinge at the hips and allow the right shoulder to the right knee. Hands come up off the low back if able. Bend at the elbows, hands to the low back. Step your left foot forward. Lower the sit bones, engage the abs, and circle the low back. Pause the hands on the low back. Sweep them around to the front. Flip at the groin. Hands come up center line. Cup underneath the nose, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Each exhale, sink a little deeper. Straighten through the legs, hands to heart. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead. Exhale, full forward fold, Celtic weave down. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Right foot steps back, low lunge. Inhale, engage and lift. Lift the chest, lift the gaze. Inhale, chest comes back to center, hands clasp behind the back. Chest comes up, gaze comes up. Exhale, hinge at the hips. Left shoulder, left knee. Hands come up off the low back. Bend at the elbows, hands come to the low back. The right foot forward, sink the hip bones, engage the abs, and lift the gaze. Circle the low back. Pause the hands on the low back. Sweep front side, flip at the groin. Hands up center line, cup underneath the nose. In through the nose, out through the mouth. 2 more. Straighten through the legs, hands come to heart center. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center, prayer pose. Start to sink the sit bones towards the ground. We're here for just a couple of breaths. It's okay if your heels don't meet the mat right now. Release the hands to the ground, then the knees. Kick the heels to one side or the other and come to seated. Feel into the breath. Begin to open the eyes. Now sweep the arms overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Thank yourself for showing up, moving your body, and exploring your breath. I thank you for sharing this time, space, and energy. Namaste. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more yoga videos like this, and then hit the bell so you're notified of all new videos. See you soon. Stay connected.